because of that, my feeling for the past 25 years or longer, I have been going to Tonga many times. Oh, by the way, you know, when I found out, when I see those carving come from Tonga that I was not happy with, Princess Pilolev came here for a convention, and I talked to her and I said, hey, I want to come to Tonga and put on a workshop so I can correct the mistakes that I made with this carving thing. I don't like what I see coming from Tonga. I went to Tonga, actually went to Tonga, put on a workshop. I went to every carvers. There were some from Tonga and from different places. I would actually see them and I asked them, you guys come to the workshop because I want to show you guys something, maybe you can learn. And they say they come. You know what happened when I did the workshop? Many of them didn't come. And then after the workshop, I went back to those guys and I said, how come you guys didn't come? They say, oh, we think we're happy with what we're doing. And, yeah, and what that damn thing, you know. So and I told myself, when I came back, I told myself, well, okay? I went there to help them. Many of them didn't. Those guys that came did help them a lot. I demonstrate how to make the cover bowl, you know, and all that. So, like you talk about Feao, I went in there before that to do a workshop, and I was demonstrating how to do a cover bowl. So, in the middle of my start shaping the cover bowl, I give the chainsaw to Feao, and I say, hey, come on here, come cut. And he was hesitant because he never used chainsaw before. He said, believe me, chainsaw will make you more money than any other tool you will. So he cut, he used a chainsaw, and from that on, Feao used chainsaw, and he did all those big stuff because he know how to use the chainsaw, all his big work. So I have a part of what's going on in Tonga with those people. Many of them make a living out of it, you know, and I'm glad for that, happy for her.